Hi guys, today we will look into 5 tricks which you can buy from Amazon, and you can do this trick almost immediately with no practice at all, and this trick costs less than 400 rupees. So if you want to buy any of the tricks that is coming up, there is link in the description below, so just go to the description, and if you want to buy, just click on the link and you can buy it from Amazon. So if you are interested, let's start. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get a notification when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. Bye.